In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare Canva design for printing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your file so it prints crisp, aligned, and free of unwanted borders or cut-off text. First, start with the correct canvas size. In Canva, click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size and enter the exact finished dimensions your printer expects, like 5 by 7 inches for a card. If your printer does not add bleed automatically, increase the size to account for it. A common bleed is 1/8 of an inch on each side, so add a 1/4 inch to both width and height overall. This ensures you have extra artwork past the trim line. Next, turn on your print guides so you can see what you're working with. Go to File in the top left and enable Show Print Bleed and Show Margins. If you like more control, also turn on rulers and guides so you can drag your own reference lines. The bleed area is where backgrounds and edge-to-edge images should extend. It's what gets trimmed off so you don't end up with white slivers. The margins define a safe zone inside the page where important text and graphics should stay, reducing the risk of anything getting too close to the edge. Now, design with print in mind. Extend background colors and any full bleed images right through the bleed area so the trim is clean. Keep all text, logos, and essential elements comfortably within the margin guides. For images, use high-resolution assets intended for print, ideally 300 dpi, so they look sharp. Avoid stretching small images larger than their original size, as that can cause blur. When you're ready to export, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print as the file type for high-quality output. Make sure to check crop marks and bleed to include the trim lines and the bleed area. If your design uses transparency or complex layering, consider enabling Flatten PDF to help avoid print artifacts. If you have Canva Pro, select the CMYK color profile for more predictable print colors. If not, the default RGB will still work. Just be aware that printed colors may shift slightly. Finally, perform a quick pre-flight check. Open the exported PDF and view it at 100% zoom. Confirm that backgrounds and images extend past all edges, that crop marks are present, and that all text and key graphics sit safely inside the margins. If anything looks off, hop back into Canva, tweak, and re-export. With these steps, your Canva design is ready for professional printing.